Ready to transform your Apple TV into the ultimate anime streaming machine? First, let's explore your app options. Head to the Apple TV App Store, easily recognizable by its blue icon with a wide. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function Y Euro, usually a magnifying glass icon Y Euro, and type in Crunchyroll, a powerhouse for anime with a massive library and simulcasts. Find the official Crunchyroll app and select install. Once it's downloaded, click open directly from the App Store or find it on your Apple TV home screen. Funimation is another excellent option, particularly known for its English dubs. Search for it in the App Store and install it just like Crunchyroll. Don't forget about Netflix. It has a growing selection of anime, from classics to originals. Log into your Netflix account and browse the anime category for hidden gems. HiDive is a more niche streaming service that hosts a variety of anime content. Be sure to search for it in the App Store. To optimize your viewing experience, go to your Apple TV settings. Navigate to video and audio to adjust your resolution and audio output for the best picture and sound quality. Choose the highest available resolution your TV supports, like 4K, and consider enabling HDR if your TV is compatible. This can really enhance the colors and contrast. With the right apps, subscriptions, and settings, your Apple TV is now your personal portal to endless anime entertainment. Happy watching!